Islamabad is the beautiful green capital city of Pakistan, and today was my first time to get out and explore it. I walked the streets eating street food and meeting people, realized how lucrative the shoe cleaning business is. Dang, the shoe cleaner has an iPhone 17. Gave a reward, ate a famous cheese paratha, rode the Islamabad metro system, visited the modern side of the city, and finished the day with a beautiful hike in the Marjala Hills. In my Pakistan travels, this is the first time I've thought to myself, I could live in this city. So come with me and find out what makes it so great. Welcome to Islamabad. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Islamabad, Pakistan, the capital of Pakistan. Now, Karachi used to be the capital of Pakistan, and sometime in the 60s, it switched to here in Islamabad. But this is a much more planned city than Karachi. It's also known to be one of the cleanest capital cities in all of South Asia. And today, we're gonna be taking the day to walk around Islamabad, get a feel for the city, because I've never been here before. It's my first day. So without further ado, welcome to the city. Let's go explore. Assalamu alaikum. Watermelon? Can I get one?
One piece?
One piece? 100. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much, brother. Fresh watermelon. Let's give this a try. We got the Islamabad street watermelon here. That's fantastic. You know, when you're on a long trip like this in a foreign land, you're not always eating the best, so it's great to just get some street fruit here in Islamabad. Thank you, brother. Hello, brother. Can you shine these? How much?
As you know, the slipper.
Put my feet in here?
Yeah.
All right, I found a shoe shiner here. My chakras are looking mighty dirty after all this walking in Pakistan. So you're gonna get them clean for me? Thank you, brother. He gave me this pair of Adidas to put on. I think my feet are gonna be a little bit big for them.
This one.
Oh, these. Thank you. That fits much better. I never thought about getting my chacos clean, but I definitely need it. I've been wearing these shoes every single day, traveling thousands of miles through this country.
You from?
America. You from Islamabad?
Jawal KPK.
Where from?
Pakistan KPK.
KPK.
KPK Bajawar.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, he's getting in the cracks and crevices there. How long have you been cleaning shoes?
My were 7.
7 years.
Yeah.
Wow, so you're very good at it then. So these guys just sit here on the street and run an entire business cleaning people's shoes. It's pretty genius, brother. It's amazing. Smart businessmen. They make it accessible on a busy walking path where people are always coming down the street. He's been doing it 7 years. It must be a sustainable business model.
In America, this work available?
This in America? Yeah, it's available. It's like in the airports, and it's not really on the street like this in Pakistan. Gosh, look how clean that is. That's crazy. But the shoe cleaners in Pakistan are better than the ones in America. Wow, look at the difference. That's amazing, man. He's got his business partner over here also cleaning a bunch of shoes. Hello. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here with the Just Do It slides on, provided by the store here. They gave me some loader shoes for a while. I'm waiting on mine to be cleaned.
Only? You come from only? You come in only in America?
In America? Oh, what are you saying, brother? I don't know what you're saying.
I think he's saying that you're very much welcome to Pakistan, and we are delighted to have you here.
Oh, thank you, brother. He's doing a fantastic job cleaning my shoes. Oh, now we're getting some color on there.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic.
Fantastic, fantastic. Hello.
Your channel name?
My channel name, Luke on the Move.
TikTok?
TikTok, YouTube.
Now brand
Dang, the shoe cleaner has an iPhone 17 Pro. This is insane. Luke on the Move. Okay, brother. It's this one.
Okay.
Yes, brother. Okay,
Yeah.
they're done?
Done.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. How much is it?
100.
100. I'm gonna give this guy a little tip. He was very nice. Amazing. Great job. 2,000. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Pakistan. I hope you're enjoying your trip here.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm having a wonderful time in Pakistan, especially with my clean shoes now. Okay, bye-bye everybody. I legitimately have put thousands of miles on my shoes in the last few days. Not walking, but just traveling in general. Airports, bathrooms, disgusting markets, disgusting streets. So it's nice to get them clean. And for the small price of 100 rupees, we gave him a 20x tip. That guy was super nice and did a great job. All right, everyone, we've just arrived at a place called Quetta Chai Cafe. Now, I've heard from a number of people online that the Quetta Chai Cafe has one of the best cheese parathas in all of Pakistan. So we're gonna have to go in there and give it a try and see if it's worth the hype. So, welcome to Quetta Chai. Hello. I heard you have a famous cheese paratha.
Yeah.
Famous cheese paratha? Okay, can I have one of those?
One?
Yeah, one of those. Thank you. They're starting by cleaning off the griddle here. I heard it's the best cheese paratha in town.
Best cheese paratha and chicken cheese paratha, pizza paratha.
Oh yeah, all of it.
Yeah.
Every paratha at Quetta Chai is famous. Okay, we've got the dough here. He starts by flattening it out. And then he pours some oil on top of it like that. Wow. Wow, you can see the cheese just oozing out of it. That looks so good. Beautiful. All right, now we sit down and try the famous cheese paratha. All right, thank you, brother. All right, we got the Quetta Chai cheese paratha right here, freshly made in the kitchen. We watched them whip it up. Let's give this a shot. It is a greasy monstrosity here. There's a lot of grease in it. There's grease literally dripping off of it right now. Mmm. That's so good. Just cheese and bread. So good. It's like the bread is solid and the cheese is like liquidy on the inside. Such a good combination. All right, after consuming half of the cheese paratha, I can confidently say it has very good flavor. It's gonna get a very high rating from me. I think just the experience, the atmosphere of this restaurant, there's red chairs, there's greenery, it's a nice vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and give this cheese paratha a 9.5 out of 10. I really like it. Quetta Chai Cafe. If you're ever in Islamabad, F7, check it out. Hey, over here.
Okay, don't pay this one.
Don't pay?
Oh, okay.
No. No, how much is it?
590.
590? You have change 1,000?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Very good.
Thanks.
I'll see you.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Well, Quetta Chai Cafe. That place was awesome. The cheese paratha was everything that it's hyped up to be. Very nice experience and a wonderful posh vibe here in F7. All right, so we now made it to another part of the city, pretty far from where my hotel is. So I'm actually about to hop on the Islamabad metro system and check it out. Hello. I want to go to the mall.
Mall?
Yeah, whatever stop is closest to there.
You will go to Pin Station.
Pin station?
Pin Station.
Okay, awesome, thank you. So I guess you just don't have to pay for the ticket here. You just handed it to me. Which way for Pim station? Pims? Yeah.
Next and next, go this side.
So that way?
Yes.
So I think I may have been mistaken here. I think this actually might just be a bus station, even though it said metro. But hey, let's check out the Islamabad bus system. Why not? This is actually quite interesting here. This whole thing is run exactly like a metro system. There's doors that open when the bus comes. The bus doors open at the same time, and then as soon as they shut, the bus starts moving. It's basically exactly like a metro, but it's on wheels. Quite interesting what they've done here. It's pretty packed here in the bus too, but air conditioned, which is nice on this super hot day in Islamabad. That was packed. Oh my gosh.
Hello. You a vlogger?
Yes, vlogger.
From where?
USA. Oh, right. And we have made it through the Islamabad metro system, which is actually just a bus. But hey, that was pretty nice. Good experience. Good way to get through the city. Now we're heading down to our next destination here in the city. So this humongous building that we've reached now is called the Centraurus Mall. It is the biggest, most famous mall here in Islamabad. And we're gonna go inside and check it out. Well, I won't spend too much time on this, but yet another nice luxury Pakistani mall with all the great stores and outlets. There's a food court on the top floor. There's nice central air conditioning in it. These malls in these huge cities are a great place to come escape the heat and to just come hang out and do some exploring. All right, I've now made it to a completely different part of the city. So Islamabad has all these different hiking trails that go up into the mountains around the city. And I'm gonna go take a hike. I think I'm at trail number 3. They just named them. Trail 1, trail 2, trail 3. So we're gonna go see what this is like. Let's do it. It's crazy, you're in the chaos and craziness of Islamabad, and then you just drive off this road, and all of a sudden, you're out in the woods. This is awesome. This is no joke. This is a very steep trail here, but the views are already amazing. Well, I've made it to the top of the hike. Absolutely beautiful up here. You can see the entire view of Islamabad city. Absolutely amazing. It's gotten a little bit hazy this evening, so you can't really see super clear, but very nice view nonetheless, and quite the workout. 1,000 feet of elevation gain. I didn't really know what I was getting myself into there. And because it's such a hot day, the overcast, cloudy weather actually feels very good. Successful hike. Let's go down now. I made some friends here on the way down from the hike. What are your names again? Nice to meet you guys.
Last night we saw over here snake, a big snake.
You saw a snake here?
Yeah, over there.
That's
and
crazy.
It was so big, and we got scared.
I didn't even know there were snakes in Pakistan, but I guess that makes sense. So my new friends here are actually offering to give me a ride. They're gonna take me to an area where there's a lot of good cafes and spots where I could go hang out. Thanks guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Luke. So much.
Hey man, it was nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys, it was great hiking with you. I had a fun time. Good to see you. Bye-bye. All right, now I'm somewhere in F6 getting dinner, I guess. Those guys were super cool, shout out to them. Well, everybody, and just like that, I have made it back to where I'm staying. Today was a wonderful day in Islamabad. So much fun walking around the city, exploring, got on some cool hiking trails, got to see the mall, and got to make some new friends while we were at it. So shout out to Islamabad, this amazing city, the capital of Pakistan. It is a wonderful place, and I'd recommend everybody to visit here. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more Pakistan adventures. From Islamabad, Pakistan, good night.